NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft is heading to asteroid Bennu and back. The OSIRIS-REx mission goal is to study near-Earth asteroid Bennu and return a sample to Earth. OSIRIS-REx's launch window opened September 8, 2016 from Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral, Florida. The spacecraft, nestled inside a Centaur upper stage, launches on an Atlas V rocket with a single solid rocket booster. The rocket's first stage separates, and then the Centaur upper stage fires. The fairings separate from the rocket, and the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft releases from the Centaur upper stage. Angled toward the Sun, the spacecraft deploys its solar arrays. Now traveling over 25,000 miles per hour, OSIRIS-REx escapes Earth's gravity and begins its cruise toward asteroid Bennu. After 23 months, the spacecraft arrives at asteroid Bennu in August 2018. With its suite of observational instruments, OSIRIS-REx orbits the asteroid, studying its characteristics and mapping its surface. After 4 phases of survey observations, OSIRIS-REx begins preparations to collect the sample. In July 2020, after months of rehearsals and study, the spacecraft approaches for sample collection. It slowly descends to Bennu's surface at less than a quarter mile per hour. With an outstretched arm, OSIRIS-REx briefly touches the surface. The touch-and-go sample acquisition mechanism, TAGSAM, blows high-pressure nitrogen gas into the surface rocks and dust, sending loose asteroid material up into the TAGSAM head. OSIRIS-REx backs away from Bennu and stows the sample in a capsule for its journey to Earth. In March 2021, the window opens for OSIRIS-REx to depart Bennu. The spacecraft returns to Earth September 24, 2023, and jettisons the sample return capsule. The spacecraft leaves Earth, and the return capsule enters the Earth's atmosphere at over 27,000 miles per hour, protected by a heat shield. A couple miles above the surface, a parachute deploys. And the capsule lands softly in the Utah desert. Bennu's secrets can now be investigated for decades to come.